If you've been trying to figure out how to unlink Lego from Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can disconnect the Lego account from your Epic Games profile safely and quickly. This is useful if you linked the wrong account, want to switch accounts, or just want to clean up your connected services. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Epic Games account, because the account you unlink from is the one you're currently logged into. Once you're on the site, look for your profile icon in the top corner of the page and click on it. This usually opens a small menu with account options. From that menu, click Account. This will take you into your Epic Games account settings page. Once you're inside the account area, look for the Linked Accounts section. This is where Epic Games stores all the external services and platforms connected to your account, such as console accounts, social accounts, and, in this case, Lego. When you open linked accounts, scan through the list until you find Lego. Depending on how it appears, it may be listed as Lego, Lego account, or another connected Lego service. Once you find it, click on it to open the Unlink option. Before you continue, take a moment to make sure you're disconnecting the correct account, especially if you use multiple logins or family accounts. Now click Unlink. Epic Games may ask you to confirm your decision or complete a short on-screen process to verify that you really want to remove the connection. Carefully follow the prompts on the screen and confirm the Unlink action when asked. This step is important because once the account is unlinked, you may lose access to features that depended on that connection. After the process finishes, the Lego account should be disconnected from Epic Games. At this point, you can double-check the linked accounts page to confirm that Lego is no longer listed. If it's gone, you've successfully unlinked it. And that's it. You've now learned how to unlink Lego from Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.